One of the money printing machines to import from China and start making huge money is one of the business ideas you have never thought of. One thing I love about this machine is you don't need huge capital to start and you can still generate thousands of dollars every month. It's called the oil press machine, but I call it the liquid gold machine. And trust me, this machine can really change your business game. Whether you are in Africa, Asia, or Latin America, this small but powerful machine can extract oil from seeds like sunflower, groundnut, sesame, coconut, palm kernel, almond, soya beans, and many more into pure, healthy oil for consumption. The only way to win in the manufacturing game is by making products people actually need, and that's exactly what I'm talking about. Oil is the most consumed product on earth, and every household uses oil every day. But the big trend now is natural, cold pressed, and chemical free oil. Remember, people now want organic food products, and that's exactly what I'm talking about. Hello lovely people, so grab a notebook because by the end of this video you'll be learning why you should start oil press business, how much the machine costs, how much profit you will make, and how to import these machines easily from China by sitting at the comfort of your home without even traveling to China. Well, if you are new here, we are a registered trading company based in China. I have 7 years experience living and doing business in China. If you need any machine or business related from China, I am your number one plug. Let's start with this question. Why is this business so profitable? Oil is one of the most consumed products in the world. Every home, every restaurant, every bakery needs it daily. But what most people don't realize is that locally produced oil, especially organic or cold pressed oil, has become a premium product. Many consumers are now avoiding chemical-based oils and choosing fresh, natural, unrefined oils. That's exactly what this small oil press machine can produce. And guess what? The raw materials are cheap and easy to get. In most developing countries, crops like groundnut, sunflower, maize, sesame, and coconut are grown locally. Sometimes even wasted because people don't know their full value. So, instead of selling the raw nuts or seeds, you process them into oil and make 5 to 10 times more profit. Now, let's break down what this machine actually does. The oil press machine is a machine that extracts oil from seeds. You simply feed in the raw materials and it squeezes out the natural oil while separating the solid cake or residue. These machines come in various sizes, from as little as $150 for a mini version up to $1,000 to $3,000 for commercial ones. Most suppliers in China offer models that can process 10 to 100 kilograms per hour. In my next video, I'll be showing a video of me visiting one of the largest suppliers of oil press machines in China, where you will learn how to produce oil from seeds using the oil press machine. Let's talk numbers because that's what matters most. Suppose you buy a medium-sized oil press machine from China for $500. Now, let's say you process 100 kg of groundnuts per day. From 100 kg of groundnuts, you can extract about 40 liters of oil. If you sell the oil at just $2.5 per liter, that's $100 in revenue per day. Your cost for raw groundnuts might be around $50, plus about $5 for electricity and packaging. So, your profit is roughly $40 per day, and that's just one small machine working a few hours. Multiply that by 26 working days a month, and you are making over $1,000 monthly from one machine. Now, imagine scaling up, adding a second or third machine, or supplying to restaurants and shops. The profit can easily double or triple. Now the big question, how do you import this machine safely from China? If you are new here, we are a registered trading company based in China, and all you have to do is to contact us and we will arrange delivery from China to any part of the world you are. But wait, the real secret isn't just pressing oil, it's adding value to everything the machine produces. After extracting oil, the leftover cake known as oil cake is not waste. It can be sold as animal feed or fertilizer. You can also brand your oil with attractive packages, labels, bottles, and your own logo. Sell in supermarkets, online stores. Target the organic oil niche and charge even higher prices. People love products labeled cold pressed, pure, or chemical free. So don't just press oil, build a brand around it. Across Africa and Asia, thousands of small entrepreneurs have already started using these machines. In Nigeria, some small oil press owners make over 1 million naira a month by supplying local market. Kenya and Ghana, many women cooperatives use mini oil presses to empower local farmers. And in Southeast Asia, coconut and palm kernel oil producers are scaling up with these machines and exporting their products globally. The opportunity is real and is growing fast. So, if you have been searching for a real business opportunity, one that solves a daily need, creates jobs, and brings consistent cash flow, the oil press machine might be exactly what you have been waiting for. Start small, learn the process, build your brand, and scale up. Always remember, your next $1 million idea could start with one small machine. If you found this video useful, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and comment in the comment section liquid gold machine, and I will send you list of the different sizes of this machine and their prices. Until then, see you, and don't forget, in our next video you'll be watching how to operate the oil press machine, where I visited one of the largest suppliers of this machine in China. Until then, import and export trading. We are at the manufacturing factory for oil press machine, and we have this one. The good news about this machine is you don't need to roast the peanut or sesame, anything, any seed you can think of, you don't need to roast them. This will automatically roast everything and